My father, King Nadar, always says that focus in battle comes down to proper breathing and paying attention. I'm sure you can handle breathing, my fellow princes of Gorm. But paying attention, not so much.
And then I knocked him flat on his back. Wham! He fell and ow! Huh?
I know you groundlings take life at a crawl, but can you pick up the pace?
We're walking as fast as we can.
Yeah, walking. This would be a lot easier if you could fly.
Only if you've got a spare set of wings to lend us. What's the rush, anyway?
Old Sage said that nature's out of balance, and that includes the Air Kingdom, too. So, if you don't mind, I'd like to get back home.
Huh?
While it's still there.
Maybe next time you should look before you flap.
I'm fine. Can we go?
You're right to be worried, Noctis, but if you want us to fly, you should summon your solar sailor.
That's gonna require the power of a lord. Unleash the power of the air! It's Quantumous Vision time, gang! Elemental Gormiti of the air, create the solar sailor! Now I'll show you dirt crawlers how air Gormiti like to travel.
Huh? Is that all you got? Show us some real speed, Noctis.
Okay, slow down!
Not stop completely! Hang on tight, coming in for a landing.
Hey, you bird brain, what did you hit?
I didn't hit anything. Guys, we crashed into solid air? Hang on!
Hang on to what? I think I'm gonna be sick.
I think I'm gonna be flat.
Create the tornado blades!
You might be the worst of all of us at flying.
I thought you were flattened. I thought the air had crushed you. I thought you were... I mean, it would be a shame to lose both my ship and my teammates in one fell swoop. What kind of sorcery makes air as solid as rock, anyway?
We don't know it's sorcery.
We don't even really know if it's air.
Well, it's definitely not ice. This substance isn't even cold.
Oh, yuck.
This tastes just like morning mist. I believe the sky itself has fallen.
The sky is falling. Sprouts in the forest believe those kind of fairy tales.
Not lords.
It may have been a tall tale in the past, but Old Sage said nature is out of balance.
Hard to believe in what you can't see. A fairy tale come to life is a bit too much to swallow, even coming from Old Sage. Hey, Noctis, I want to see this thing. I think a sand screen might do the trick. A little help?
It's huge.
Thanks, we didn't notice that. Ever seen anything like it before?
The wind blows free. Nothing in nature could have done this.
Something incredibly powerful must be behind all this.
So powerful, it could alter the laws of nature. Now that's what I call power.
We're the Lords of Gorm. We'll just have to teach them to leave things as they are. Who's with me? I don't blame you, even I'm nervous.
This must be Magor's doing.
Well, if anyone's powerful and evil enough to drop the sky on us...
But wait! Before it fell, we ran into it, just like Noctis flew into that tree, which can only mean one thing.
You need glasses?
Oh, please. Just because I didn't see an invisible wall of solid air?
It means it had to be a trap.
Exactly, and I don't think it was meant for us. Noctis, activate your Quantumous.
Quantumous vision! What the heck? Create tornado blades, quick!
He said it wasn't a trap for us, Noctis. No need to pelt our eyes out with shrapnel.
There's a Gormiti trapped inside here. Stop! Air Gormiti, be free!
Well, I guess he's out.
Apologies, fellow Gormers. It's good to breathe fresh air. The name's Blart. Pleased to meet ya. Now, who made that horrible stink?
You're hardly the one to ask that.
We're the Lords of Gorm. I'm Prince
Wow,
Noctis.
I see. A Prince of the Air. A huge honor, an incredible honor. I can barely contain myself.
Yeah, no
Sorry,
kidding.
my lord. Sorry. It's my pleasure. So sorry. I hope you're not upset.
Can you just tell us what happened?
Well, sir, 1 minute a mechanical thingy was pointing right at me, and then the next minute, before I knew it, whoosh! Yeah! And I couldn't breathe. In the ground, and then the air, lord.
I'm completely lost.
What else is new?
Oh well, thanks anyway.
Who would want to capture him?
Yes. Unleash the power of the earth!
Unleash the power of the water.
Unleash the power of the forest!
Unleash the power of the air!
Unleash the power of gas!
That lava Gormiti was almost too easy.
Guys, I don't think it's us these jokers are looking for.
Help me, please!
Look out, Blart!
Not today!
Titanic flood fists.
We got him!
The young lords of Gorm. Sorry this will be such a short visit.
Androl!
Indeed. Something's in the air.
Yuck it up while you can, Androl!
You know better than to be rude when I come bearing gifts.
Hey, get us out of here, Bird! Noctis, no! Get us out of here!
Come back here, coward! I'll make you pay for this!
A noble gesture, Gorm Lord, but my plan is already underway. Blast him! Rid me of this pest!
Your dark magic is no match for my...
A bird cage. Now, expunge this canary!
Let's go.
Close, wasn't it? Oh.
It'll take more than a little air.
Ah.
But gas, on the other hand, is too much for us. We have to free Noctis! I don't know how to break it.
Since this was all my fault, why not let me handle it?
Is that your answer for everything, Blart?
It's the right answer this time. Check it out. It worked.
I sure hope you're all right, my prince.
Androl on a platform in the sky!
We've got company.
Not for long. Unleash the power
Unleash
of
the
the earth.
power of the water.
Unleash the power of the forest! How
about a boulder bazooka?
I'd say they definitely earned a world of hurt this time.
Yeah!
Why won't they stand still and fight?
They don't want us, they want air, Gormiti, and they want to bring them back alive.
Why would Androl want to capture Air Gormiti?
He wants to turn them into slaves. He's building an army, but no one enslaves the wind. Furious wind twist!
No, Noctis! Every time you fly today, we keep running into trouble. Or a tree, or a wall.
Settle down.
This isn't your fight. The air is my element, groundlings.
You keep reminding us. We get it. But remember, this isn't normal air, Noctis. Right, guys?
It's just like Old Sage told us. Nature is out of balance, and that includes the air. Understand?
Which makes anything that flies an easy target. You'd only be a sitting duck for Androl, so to speak.
Well, what am I supposed to do now, fearless leader?
Us groundlings will take the battle to Androl in the sky, while you and Blart stay on the ground. Are we clear?
The Rock Lord makes sense. Let you and I work together.
Let's not work too closely. Quantinous vision! Time to regroup, troops. Create the Solar Sailor. It's not like me to let others fight my battles, but I'll stay here to help. Defend my kingdom, and hurry! Now stick with me, Blart. And can we try to put a cork in that thing? Stay downwind, you'll see it soon enough.
Are you sure you know how to fly this thing?
Of course I do. Up! Everything's under control. Just look for Androl's floating rock.
Dead ahead. It's gas.
What is that? A cannon?
Androl's cannon is what solidifies the air, Agrom. You'll have to land your ship on that platform.
No problem. Anybody know how to keep one of these things from crash landing?
You did it!
Did you plan that?
Sure I did.
Stop them, you idiots! Hold them off!
Piran, can you summon up water?
The water's scarce way up here.
The same goes for rocks, but when the going gets tough, mighty rock ball!
Right behind you.
Thanks, Tasaru. Now grab Piran and take care of the rest of them. I have to go give Androl a little present.
Keep at it, we're getting close. What? Thanks for saving my neck.
It's my honor. Rarely do common Gormiti get to associate with royalty.
A practice I'll change if I ever become king.
Ah, then you have my loyalty forever, my prince. Lord,
Hope you got a few more Blart bombs in you so we can finish this.
Ha
It looks like that vine is tethered to Androl's platform, Blart.
Looks like they don't want anything to happen to it.
That's a shame.
Naturally, it's up to me to get the job finished.
This cable must be anchoring Androl's Earth platform in midair. If he likes turning the air against us, let's see how he likes it when we turn his platform against him. Have a nice ride, Androl.
What? Those fools let them cut the stabilizing cable! Well, that won't stop me! Huh?
I hope you're in the mood for a bumpy ride.
Agrom, hurry! We can't stay up here for long.
Agrom!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
You should pay attention during a fight!
No, Agrom!
Agrom, free my caged people. They're strong. They'll give you the advantage you need.
Running away?
Hardly. Your prince says that the Air Kingdom breeds fierce warriors. Get these lava Gormiti off this platform, got it? Now it's up to me to take out that cannon.
No, the cannon will take you out!
No!
Stand back! Now where's Agrom? What? The volcano? Everyone! Androl threatens our friend! We'll defend him!
Let's get him!
Come on!
Kidnapping helpless Gormiti? What's the matter? Magor's army quit?
Magor doesn't need to explain himself to you!
You're right. Nobody listens anyway.
Take all you want, Pebble. You're running out of time! I'd be lying if I said it's been a pleasure.
Hang on!
What we need now is something a little sticky.
You saved my life, Blart.
You haven't beaten me yet, Gormlord! You haven't...
You tried your best, Blart. Nice knowing you.
You haven't seen my best. Unleash the power of the gas! Don't worry, friend. I've got you.
Blart, what are you doing? Let me go. Save yourself. I'm too heavy.
Don't worry, my friend. You're going to make it. You might want to hold your nose now. It's been an honor, sir.
Blart, come back!
Goodbye. Goodbye.
No!
Blart was a warrior of the air. He made a warrior's decision.
But he chose...
He chose to save you instead of him, because he believed that we could make a better Gorm. We should honor his sacrifice.
Spoken like a true leader, Noctis.
Perhaps someday I'll be a leader, Agrom. Perhaps someday.